we're going to be doing Cat the Hat. Okay, Nat the Cat. Nat the Cat is a cat. Nat the Cat can walk. Nat the Cat can sniff. Nat the Cat can run. Nat the Cat can jump. Nat the cat can nap. Thanks for reading with me. Bye.